What's up, y'all? Crypto Command here. Let's talk about Bitcoin and Kaspa. All right, guys. So right now, everyone is looking at the bearish scenario, but I want to take a look at the bullish scenario. All right. So I got the Bitcoin monthly chart up, right? Because if I go to any other time frame, it seems that it's very bearish, right? But when I go to the monthly time frame on Bitcoin, all right, it all of a sudden magically just turns bullish, right? What we got to remember is we got to zoom out. If you see here, guys, I zoomed out on the monthly time frame. Look at all of these bullish fair value gaps, right? Right now, we are hitting a resistance, but we've always hit resistance. Boom, 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 right? The idea is to retest the bullish fair value gap. And that is exactly what we're doing right there, right? So we've come down and we're testing that fair value gap, right? We came down to $98,000, right? This is exactly what happened, and we've already started bouncing back up. All right, so I'm just like, this is a very like healthy looking chart on the monthly time frame, right? We also have a higher high here, a higher low. So like, you know, that's very bullish. All right, so just keep in mind, guys, we could still go to 127,000, right? And if you look at the Fibonacci retracement tool, guys, it's very possible we hit 200,000 this cycle. All right, that it's right there, and we're already testing this bullish fair value gap. So we could bounce literally and start moving upwards towards this 200,000. And I honestly think that could happen. I really do. So if you look at the monthly time frame, guys, nothing but bullish stuff, nothing but bullish action. All right, now let's move to Kaspa. All right, Kaspa has a higher high and a higher low on the daily time frame. All right, we've come down and I've added a new support line here, right? Why? Because we had support all the way back here, right? So if we had support all the way back there, that's why we have support here. So we bounce and we are moving up, all right? So with us moving up, guys, again, we can start going within this channel, okay? We can start moving back within this channel, all right? We're looking to break out past this previous resistance of 6 cents. Okay, so I hope you guys are buying in at that 4-cent level. All right, because we got that higher high and a higher low. Also, if you take a look at the MACD, it looks like we might be getting a bullish cross soon, right? It looks like it wants to start turning up, right? So red is where you're buying in, and we're still in the red. Right, so be buying in the red, and once that green hits, right, you get that upwards movement. All right, so green could be hitting at any point now. All right, and the idea is to bounce off of this 4-cent level, which is what we're doing, and break through that 6-cent level. All right, if we can do that, all right, then we got the beginning of some very good times for Kaspa. All right. So with that being said, guys, continue to dollar cost average. Bitcoin could possibly go to $200,000, $127,000 to $200,000. And honestly, Kaspa can still go to at least 88 cents this cycle. All right, 88 cents this cycle. This is my prediction for Kaspa and Bitcoin. All right, with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.